Yo, what's up? It's J2O, man. You already know we out here. It's a Forex keeping the real king. And I'm here to let you guys know some things. Some important things. And that is what most gurus won't tell you about Forex. That they don't want you to know. You know why? Because it's a secret. People don't want you to know the secret of trading Forex. But since I'm the Forex keeping the real king, I'll let you know. And number one thing they don't want you to know is that it's hard. It's not easy trading Forex on a daily, weekly basis because the market conditions always changes. So when you see someone post crazy profits one day, doesn't mean they do it every day. You know, some people don't show you the losses, they show you the wins, or they don't show you the trading live because when you take a certain amount of hits in the market, it can mess you up psychologically and make you feel like quitting or whatever the case is based on your personality. But trading is not hard and it's not super easy. It's something that you constantly got to work on because the market conditions constantly change. And the next thing they don't want you to know is that there is no one perfect strategy. It's good to know multiple strategies because there's multiple market conditions and market cycles where you could do one thing right for the first 3 weeks and then the cycle could change, and then what are you doing for that strategy won't work in the next cycle. So you must have multiple strategies so you can secure your profits and your win streaks. So that's the thing. It's okay to take a step back from trading to reevaluate your strategy when you start a losing streak. Because some people might give you a strategy which could work, but it might not be working right now based on market conditions. And the next thing they don't want you to know is that you must have proper risk management. You can see people doing a lot of crazy flips. I get it. Everyone wants to flip 100 to 2,000 in a couple minutes. But reality is kind of like over leveraging. And it's case by case basis due to market conditions. If it's a swing trade week, you can get lucky and go hold a trade for a couple of days and it'll go your way. But when it's not a swing trade, you will blow your account. The market will go up and down and blow your account. So you must be cautious about the market conditions when you put certain lot sizes in order. So my thing is, it's not the best idea to over leverage your account on a weekly basis because then you could take more risk in losing your profits that you do secure or make. So you're going to be in the long run trading, the long haul, you have to have good risk management so you can be less stressed out when you lose a trade or two, you know. And then also the next thing they want you to know is that you must have rules and you must find how to be disciplined when you trade, because trading takes discipline in winning and also handling losses. You have to understand losses happen and you reevaluate your loss and go back in and make the changes you needed, or learn to set out certain market conditions because it's probably a higher risk of losing. For example, when the market is consolidating, there's no real trend. Therefore, people end up losing money by kind of gambling, thinking it's going to go up or down. So, certain like incidents like that, you must be like cautious and be wise about when you trade. And it's okay not to trade every setup. It's okay to not trade every day. Let's say you trade every day around 3 a.m. and some 3 a.m. requires good movements. Some 3 a.m. might be fake outs. Some 3 a.m. there might be no movement, so it constantly changes. So you have to be aware, And next thing they don't want you to know is that Forex is not for the lazy. Repeat, not for the lazy. Like back in the day, I used to want to be lazy and just like trade and swing trade sometimes. But certain market conditions, it wasn't a swing trade type of week. So I would end up losing my profits. It will just retrace back. So understand that not every market condition you can try your strategies like swing trading. And you gotta also understand that scalping is okay. Like some people have like different views about scalping. Like, oh, scalping is wrong. you shouldn't scalp. You won't be profitable scalping. But I feel like if you're a scalper, it takes more skill because you're in the market, going in and out, catching these pit movements, and understanding like becoming a day trader as well is very challenging because that means you have to be focused on the day and just catching movements. Some people take a lot of trades in a day, and the more trades you take, the more risk you take. So understanding that, you know, keeps you ahead of the game, because sometimes you can realize you're over trading, and when you over trade, that's usually when you end up losing. So learn to be disciplined, learn to take a certain amount of trades that works for you, learn not to take every trade, and make rules and follow your rules, because my rules might be different from your rules, but find certain rules based on experiences and apply them, and that will help you grow as a trader and help you potentially become profitable, or potentially end up cutting down your losses, or help you potentially maximize your wins, because sometimes you find you cutting your trades early when you're already in profit. So understanding that will keep you ahead of the game. And one last thing these girls don't want you to know is that trading takes time, patience. Just because someone said, oh, I learned quick in 30 days doesn't mean you're going to learn quick in 30 days. They probably got lucky the first 30 days, because it can be like a great month or a great couple weeks in a market where, you know, they just got lucky. A new trader just got lucky and thought, oh, it's easy, this is how it's going to be every week. In reality, no, it's not. This market is constantly changing. So just because you know well your first 30 days, it could be a challenging 30 days in the market. So you just gotta play and go through the cycles of the market, months, and over time you'll see, okay, different season, months, how the market's moving, different world events that affect the market, and eventually you'll become good and more knowledgeable of why you're losing and why things are in the market. So this is basically stuff they didn't want you to know, but I'm the Forex King, and I gotta let you guys know because I care that you guys understand this is not a game. This ain't for the weak. It's for people who are serious. So like, comment, and subscribe for more, and you already know we out here.